Hi, we decided to go ahead and make another video today, and today I just thought I would pick up something kind of on the decorative scale. I'm going to paint some bamboo. It's a subject we explored a few years ago in my workshops and classes. I haven't done it for a while, so I thought I'd try it again with you and let's just see where it goes. So here we go. Okay. Now, you know how I always start with Hooker's Green, and I'm going to do that again. I'm mixing it with a little bit of alizarin crimson, but this is just a picture of bamboo up close. So I'm just going to design it right now where I'm going to put in my bamboo in different patterns. Kind of a design part. This is really good for decorating. Just organic, and it's now you know I'm going to go over these. I think that's a pretty good design. What do you think, Jane? How does that look? Amazing?
It's just stunning.
Okay. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's see, I think I'll just go ahead and, it's been a while since I've done this. I'm just going to indicate that there's some leaves.
It's cool how you make those leaves.
Yeah, I just smash I point it down, I smash and drag and then lift to a point. There's going to be little leaves everywhere. This is the design stage. Most important. Look like little flames. Sort of like that. Because you know I'm going to end up painting behind this, and what's the fun if it's not complicated? Now I'm going to just use white because it's going to fade into my Hooker's Green, and I'm going to paint, but I'm going to stop, like, you know how bamboo grows in sections? That's what I'm going to do with this. So, pretty white one. And let's see, more white. Whoop, forgot this guy. Is it looking like bamboo, Jane?
It does. And you forgot another guy on the other side, too.
Oh, yeah. There's a little guy. There's a kind of the lighting. We're going to work on our setup. Just, you know, we only have have so many grandchildren to consult on how to improve our technical skills. Okay, so I'm going to go back over where my leaves are with what's so drippy wet.
And that's cad yellow and hooker's green.
Yes. Some of these leaves are going to be going right in front of our bamboo too. I'm going to add a little white to that yellow and my green.
Be interesting when you start painting around everything.
Oh, I know. I'm just thinking about that.
Not that it's not interesting now.
Some people are going to go, I like the red. I always get that. I might just go in with really, that's why I'm going to keep lightening up my leaves, because I think I might do the background really dark. We have a ton of bamboo in our backyard. I'm going to go home and look at it. So.
After the fact.
Yes. And then the bamboo has to dry, and then I will go back in and paint. I'm thinking as I'm trying to talk. I'll go back in and lighten the bamboo, and I'm going to paint the dark background dark. Let's just see how that's going to look before I take my little break. It's just going to be enough red to pop through and save us.
And that's your number 12 brush you're using,
Yeah,
able
and
to,
it's
okay.
picking up a lot of light and where I want it to be really dark. So, it's picking up some of the light I have in my green, mixed in my green. Because, you know, my palette's not always perfect. My colors get jumbled up, but that's okay. I'm losing my leaves and everything else. So I think what I'm going to do is let this dry, and then I'm going to come in and show you how to make it pop. I hope, or else this lesson will be scrapped. But I think it's going to work.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll be back. I'm going to let it go out in the sun. We're back. This looks like a total mess, and I said to Jane, maybe we should scrap this lesson. But not really, because I do have a plan, and I'm going to show you what that is. I'm not happy with putting I put too many leaves in there, and they're all going in the same direction. Stuff like that can be fixed. I did, right after I was with you, I painted a little bit in the background, because I can't get in there with my arm reaching like this. Let me get rid of, I don't like those big globs. I just did that so that I don't have to reach in front of you. But I continue to just kind of cut in the dark. And it could be just cut in rather loosely. It doesn't have to be perfect, because, you know, your leaves weren't perfect in the first place. So why be so careful about going around them? That's my opinion, my attitude. This should be dark over here too. But right now I'm going to show you how this is going to pop out. I'm going to take the color of maybe some Naples yellow and some white. Nice bright color. and do my bamboo again. Some of it's going to be more in shadow than others. I think it's going to be all right. Brought in a little raw sienna.
With the Naples yellow?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want every stalk of bamboo to be the same value because some are going to be kind of tucked back in shadow. And I'll show you what I mean in a minute. First I want to get these. So I kind of have the feeling better that these bamboo stalks are tucked here in the side of the garden or the yard or the woods.
Is that blue?
It is blue and
Light blue?
yeah, light blue and a
And
little
Brilliant
light,
purple?
brilliant purple.
Okay.
Oops, something just fell over in the gallery. These are kind of reading as stalks that are in the background. Not too bad. I'm going to go back in with some leaves.
And that's cad yellow and hooker's green.
Yeah,
And a little bit of white.
yeah. Because some of these are going to be over. It's a jungle. So, and then I gotta, and I could even shadow a little bit one side of my bamboo.
And that's just with light blue?
Yeah, a little bit of light blue.
Okay.
Just kind of trying to, a little bit of light blue and a little bit of the brilliant purple. Just give them some form.
Mm-hmm.
Wait till it dries to do that. Whoop, I did not mean to do that, so that'll be covered up later. All right, I'll cover it up now because it'll be disturbing. This is all dark background. See, when you start painting background around things, you can carve things out. It's back and forth. Sort of like that. And I think I'm just going to leave it at this. You can elaborate on this more. Okay, you know, while it's still wet, I don't know if I can do it, but I might pop out the light on the light side. So, kind of reads as bamboo. It's got the broken areas and it's tucked in the leaves, and when I get in front of it later, I will fill in all the darks over there. Okay, so this was a lesson in bamboo. It's very simple, but yet it looks complicated, and it gets to a complicated spot, as you can see. I didn't know how this was going to go, but I think it's got great potential. I'm going to let it totally dry, give myself, you know, until maybe tomorrow and a good painting day to go in and tweak it out a little bit, but it's got the good bones, and I showed you how to do it, how to design it with your hooker's green first, and then don't go overboard with leaves like I did. And find other bamboo pictures. That one that we inserted, it's not the best. So there's plenty of pictures out there. And you can try painting this for yourself. It makes a great a decor piece, and it's something that you can easily hang anywhere. So thank you, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to go to my website, or before you do that, hit a lot of subscribe and likes, and then you could go to my website, Jane Slivka Gallery, and purchase a class for $25 for an hour class. So thank you. Until next time, we will be seeing you. Happy painting, and let me know if you ever have any questions or anything like that.
Just put them in the comments below.
Yes, that's it. Thanks. Bye.